Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I have the kitchen tip. I want to show you a couple different ways how to peel the shrimp and Devein. Okay, if you guys follow me, you know I love seafood, and then I grow up with a town with a lot of seafood, so I love all kinds of seafood, and the shrimp be one of my favorite seafood too. And tonight we're going to use the shrimp. We're going to use the shrimp for cooking for dinner tonight. So I think why not just show you how to peel and devein. Okay, first gonna be a basic way. So just going to use my hand. If you not need the head, just use your hand to remove it. Oh, look at this. I love to eat them. Okay, I'm going to save the head for you can save it for stock, for shrimp stock if you make pad thai or if you make some stir fry if you need it. And look at this. Okay, just use your hand and start to peeling. If you don't like them, if you don't like them, you just can clean them after you peel them. Everything here, it's easy. Just use your hand. And also in Thailand, sometimes we like to leave the shell to just presentation. But if you don't want it, you can just remove easy too. Look the shrimp. And then to devein for this way, just use the small knife. Hold it tight and then cut through, and you can see that this one is very big. Okay, here, and now you have one shrimp, and you can clean them when before you use. Okay, and the second way, I'm going to use the spoon. In Thailand, we like to use this spoon. So just go over here, 1, 2, the second one. And the whole thing gonna come out. If you see, it's easy. And for the head, if you don't like them, they're easy to remove. Here, the head, the same thing. To devein again one more time. You can see, easy. Put on a napkin, easier. Put in a napkin. All right. So, but I know not all of you guys have this spoon like this. This is more Asian, but we use this spoon for a lot of things. If you go to the Asian store and you found the spoon like this, buy one for the kitchen too. That will be reusing a lot for the kitchen too. Okay, but if you don't have really don't have, you can use the spoon like this, the teaspoon, the little spoon like this too, doing the same thing. Just find the 1, 2, the second one like that, and just going to. They cut a little bit harder because they cut a little bit thicker spoon. If the spoon thick, it's gonna come out a little bit harder, but it can do too. Can use too. Okay, this is the second way, and just remove the head. Same thing with the devein the shrimp. You just have to hold them very tight when you devein the shrimp. Okay, and the third way, I'm going to pick this guy. Alright, so I'm going to use the scissor. Okay, any scissor for your kitchen, it will be work. Just go through the head, here, under the head, and cut through. This way is a lot easy. You can cut all to the tail, and also gonna remove the vein already, if you can see. And you just use your hand to remove the vein, easy. Alright, here. And you don't need the head, take them off. See, this way, this all the tail and everything come off. If a little bit of vein, just remove them. Okay, and I wasn't sure how you call this. In Thailand, we calling oil is the oil from the head, and we love to eat them. Sometimes we keep them for different recipe, fried rice or stir fry. We love to eat them, or just suck it on the head. We like to eat them. One of my favorite. But over here, I know a lot of people not eating them. Okay, and if you know how to call in English the oil, the oil from the head, if you know how to call in English, just give me in the comment below, because I asked the cameraman, he actually don't know how to call neither, and he don't like to eat them too. So okay, and the next way I just going to remove the vein from you the toothpick. Okay, look at this, 1 2, and then put a toothpick under there and bring them up, as you can see, and pull them out. Look, it come out because in the Thai cuisine or Asian food, sometimes we always cook with the shell on, but I know over here we not use a lot we not cook with the shell on. So if you want to remove the shrimp in easy way like this, and then you can peel it after, that will be easy way for you too. See, now the vein is already removed, and you don't have to cut the back open, but the vein is already removed. Okay, this one I remove all, even the tail and everything, and if you can see, we remove the vein with not have to butterfly the shrimp. And for the head, if you not want to use the head, you just use a scissor to cut them off, or if you want to use the head, or you just want to remove this thing, just use the scissor to cut them off too. And sometimes you want to make sure you remove the this one the stomach part. Okay, if you eat the head, you have to remove the stomach part too. Okay, this all the way, whatever way it work for you, I hope it help you in the kitchen tip like this. Okay, I hope my kitchen tip today it help you to work with the shrimp in the kitchen, or your favorite food to cook with the shrimp, because sometimes when you buy the shrimp with the shell on like this, it's more tasty and more, it tastes better, it tastes more fresh and more the favorite for the shrimp. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this tip. If you like, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next video. Thank you. Okay, Joe, can you do one more time?
Go.
Okay,
go.
Help mommy.
Okay, go.
Okay, thank you so much for watching today. If you like the kitchen tip today, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're gonna